So the problem is asking us to find the molality of a solution containing 4.45 grams of urea in 183.5 grams of water. So first we need to find out the equation for molality. And so molality is represented by lowercase m and is the moles of the solute over kilograms of the solvent. And so now the next step is to figure out which one's the solute and which one's the solvent. So if we read the problem again, we can notice here that there's a keyword in. So when it says a solution containing 4.45 grams of urea in 183.5 grams of water, we can figure out that this is the solute and that water is the solvent. So, but then we also need to convert grams into moles and grams into kilograms. So we're going to start by doing that. So to color code, I will use blue for urea and then purple for water. Sorry, this is purple. Okay. So starting with so first we need to find out the molecular mass for this whole compound here. And so we're going to start with nitrogen. And for nitrogen, it is 14.01 times 2 because we have 2 of them. So that'll give us 28.02 grams of N2. And again, this information can be found on a periodic table. For example, here we have N, 14.01. And then for H, we need to find the molecular mass for 4 of them, because it's 2 and then 2 of 2, so it's 4. So we're going to have 1.008 times 4 equals 4.032 grams. And then we're going to need to find carbon, and carbon is 12.01. And then also oxygen. Oxygen is 16 grams, and it's just one of them. And so after adding all of these up, we get 60.062 grams in total. So now we have the grams. So now we're able to find the moles with what they gave us. So I usually like to start off with putting what they gave us first. So they gave us 4.45 grams. And then I want to cancel that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the grams that we found down here so that I can cancel my units and I can be organized with it. And then this is going to be the mole, the goal that we're trying to get to. So after multiplying 4.45 times 1 and then dividing it by 60.062, we get 0.074, and that's going to be our moles of this. So now that we have moles, now we need to calculate the grams. We need to convert that to kilograms. So we need to know for that the conversion factor. We need to know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. And so the same thing as we did before, we're going to put what they gave us first. So 183.5 grams. We want to get to kilograms, so we put it up here and we put the 1,000 grams down here. So these will cancel, and we are going to get 0.1835 kilograms of H2O. And so now we can divide, we can plug these two values into our equation up here. And so after dividing this, our answer is 0.4. So that would be our molality.